Working in an office environment, it is inevitable to have meetings, but sometimes you'd rather be anywhere but there. Typically, a HDMI or VGA cable is passed around for people to share and project files during a meeting, but it's not productive. Unfortunately, only one person can edit the file or meeting minutes at a time, so when there's a mistake, it sometimes takes a while to find and correct it. Sometimes, at the end of a meeting, people have to take a photo of the notes, which can be pretty annoying if the next person wants to use the whiteboard. Now that headache is something of the past. With GIGABYTE Smart Whiteboard, the concept of a whiteboard has changed to keep up with the pace and needs of modern business. Members in a meeting can share files like documents or images simultaneously on a GIGABYTE Smart Whiteboard. They can also annotate or edit contents in this collaborative working environment seamlessly. Any files or images can be automatically saved from the GIGABYTE Smart Whiteboard into the cloud for members to access anytime they like. GIGABYTE Smart Whiteboard includes a 55-inch touch panel that supports 4K Ultra HD resolution and up to 20 touch points. This smart digital module was designed and manufactured by GIGAIPC. It incorporates an Intel processor and various I/O interfaces, such as USB 3.0 ports, DisplayPort, and LAN port. GIGABYTE Smart Whiteboard has applications pre-installed to provide various functions such as file sharing, screen mirroring, and multi-user content editing. GIGABYTE Smart Whiteboard merges collaboration and communication without barriers. A more diverse portfolio of models are on the way. For more product information, please visit our website www.gigabyte.com.